Here we go, guys. Morning, campers. Today we're working on a 30-foot travel trailer. We've got a little bit of water damage up front. Take you up here and let you see what we got going on. And as you can see, we got a good helping of mold and some fungus up here. We're going to be working on getting this replaced. We'll give you an update once we get done with it.
Alright, so another common repair we do is skylight replacements. You can look at this skylight, see all the moisture that's gotten inside of it. What that's caused from is the lap sealant around the edges slowly breaks down. You get little cracks where water seeps in underneath, and then you get moisture in there, it starts rotting out the roof. With this particular one, we like to use Icon skylights. This particular one's actually going to be smoked. We do get people complaining about how much light comes in through their shower. So changing out your skylight to something that's smoked can make a big difference in how much light's coming in. The process to this is we go through, we're going to use our tool, pull all this old lap sealant off. Remove all these old nasty rusted screws you can see. And then we'll apply some butyl tape to the flange of this, stick it down, reattach it. We use stainless steel screws with everything we put back. And then we'll re-lap seal it. With that, we like to use LaSalle Bristol's. It's a universal self-leveling lap sealant. We use as much of this as necessary. A lot of the factories and some other repair shops like to cheap out on the lap sealant, and that's just going to cause leaks down the road. It's better to just go extra.
Scared the fuck out of me.
Alright guys, today we're working on this, it's a rockwood roof. It's got these pop out things in the front. This one's completely rotten, and we're going to go take a look at it. So what you got going on, Brad?
Well, we got to pull this rubber seal out here to get to the piano hinge that holds this pop out on the side of the unit. So we'll have to pull this board out, and then that should pull right out. Got to pull these 3 screws here and these 3 here, and this whole tray should swing out.
Alright, so quick update video. We've gotten the file on, which is the front side of the fiberglass. Got all the old nasty stuff removed off of it. which was a project to do it and make sure we didn't destroy anything. Now we're going to coat this with some contact cement, and we're going to glue it to a new piece of wood backing. Then we got the frame getting cleaned up over there. We'll get that cleaned up, and then we'll attach it to this. We've got new foam insulation to go in the middle, and then we'll put the other side on it and put it all back together and go from there.
We've got this front fold-out panel. We've got it completely disassembled, completely cleaned up. This is all new styrofoam, all new board on this side, and our fiberglass is sitting out there. We're about to slap her on this and put her back together.
Time to end the day. That's how we're gonna close it out.
I thought you were gonna